we will get this value as, this is a direct value, okay? The integration of f of u, f of w value is how much? B square, a cube e power minus b, u square plus b square plus w square. So substitute that value here, minus infinity to plus infinity. Here, simply a cube e power minus b u square into du is equal to how much? According to the formula, integration formula, under root pi by b. This value is directly given. Like that we have other two terms. Hence, it will become what? Under root pi by b into under root pi by b into under root pi by b. Like that we have three values here. So integration of that value will use under root pi by b, under root pi by b. Like that we will get under root pi by b whole cube. This is the value of f of u, f of p, f of w here. Okay. Now, after finding that value, okay, after finding that value, see, we will get here, okay, what we will get? Under root pi by b. So, here, and also, okay, here into, see, I forgot that value, see, here the value of only, here not a cube, the value of only minus infinity plus infinity e power minus b u square du is under root pi by b. Hence we have here a cube also, okay, a cube, only this value is this much. Now a cube into this values will get under root pi by b whole cube is equal to 1. From this we can write a cube is equal to, okay, a cube is equal to reverse under root b by pi whole cube, okay. This will cube gets cancelled, okay, cube gets cancelled. We will get at last a is equal to b by pi whole power 1 by 2. A is equal to b by pi whole power 1 by 2. Okay, at last we will get a is equal to b by pi whole power 1 by 2, but b is equal to m by 2 pi kt. This value will be find in the next concept, okay. In the next concept we will get this value here, m by 2 pi kt, m by 2 kt, okay. B value is m by 2 kt, a value is b by pi kt, nothing but what? A is equal to b value is m by 2 kt, no? So m by 2 pi kt whole power 1 by 2. This is the value of a. Okay, we got a and b values and f of p, f of p, f of w values. Substitute that values in this equation, we will get it lost the our value, d and c value. Okay, d and c value, you will see that. Now substitute. We got, I said that substituting these values, we will get dn value. Dn is equal to n into f of p, f of p, f of w value. We got how much? How much we got? F of p, f of p, f of w. A cube into e power minus b u square plus b square plus w square. Okay, right? This value, we got this value. But how much we got a cube value here? A cube is how much? A value is how much? M by into du dv dw. Okay, just substitute that value here. So n into m by a value is how much? M by 2 pi kt. Here 1 by 2, nothing but what? Cube, nothing but what? 3 by 2. Okay, I think you are following. Minus b. B is how much? B how much we got? M by 2 kt. So m by 2 kt into u square plus v square plus w square. Okay, into du dv dw. Now we are going to find this value here. See, what is this value here? Du dv dw. What is this value here? Du dv dw. Du dv dw is the, here, see, to find this value here, dn is equal to, here, du dv dw. U square plus v square plus w square, nothing but what? C square. You know already. Du dv dw is how much? See, to find du dv dw, there is a diagram. Already, just now we took the diagram here. Okay. See, we have to take it as two spheres to find that value. Okay, to find the du dv dw, whatever the volume du dv dw will be lying in between two semicircles. Two concentric circles. Okay, the two concentric circles, the area of two concentric circles is given by 4 by 3 pi into C plus DC. Whatever the C diagram, just see the diagram in your textbook. Already I draw the diagram. Okay, you have the diagram here. This volume, whatever the volume du dv dw, this volume will be lying between two spheres. Okay, the area of that, whatever the area of that annulus is given by 4 by 3 pi into C plus DC. Okay, 4 by 3 into pi into C plus DC. C plus DC whole cube minus C square minus C cube is equal to, after finding that you will get 4 pi C square DC. 4 pi C square DC. In place of du dv dw, you substitute 4 pi C square DC. Hence, you will get the number of molecules within the range C and C plus DC. C and C plus DC. That is, dNc is equal to 4 pi n m by 2 pi kt whole power 3 by 2 e power minus m. This will become mc square because u square plus d square plus square is c square. 2 pi kt, this will become 4 pi square divided c square dc. So at last we will get this equation. Okay, so this is the derivation, right? Okay, which is very lengthy. Thank you for listening. Okay, observe the class by keeping the notes in front of you. Okay, thank you.